All right, here we go with some usage two. 5 more things you kids keep screwing up. And we're going to start with the most embarrassing one that I'm still seeing in your writing. Give me a break. The word lose is right here. It's spelled Lose. It means to not win. The word loose, an entirely different word. We got 2 O's in the middle of it. Loose. It means to not be tight. So at the championship game, I hope I don't lose my girlfriend. That's how you use lose right there. These yoga pants are so loose, I'm actually comfortable. My favorite thing, though, is when people spell loser with 2 O's. I mean, that is irony. Don't be that loser, okay? The next one up is good versus well. Good, the word good, always going to be an adjective. Always going to be. We always let my grandpa sit in the good chair when he comes over. Good's describing the chair. That's what adjectives do. They describe nouns. Here, we've got good following a linking verb. The linking verb being look, and adjectives follow linking verbs. You look good today. So again, good, an adjective describing you. Well, on the other hand, is an adverb. That tells how things are done, or it can be an adjective meaning when you're in good health. In other words, you're not sick. So I didn't feel well after I ate Chipotle. We're now talking about your health, so that's why we're going to use that instead of the word good. An adverb usually modifies a verb. I think I'm going to do well on this test. It modifies the verb going. I'm going to do well. I'm not going to do good. I did good on the test. No, you did well on the test. This next one's real simple. Your, with no apostrophe, that is a possession word. This is your dog. I really like your presentation. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E just means you are. So if you're not first, you're last. All right? Through and through. T-H-R-E-W is just a past tense verb for throw. Any kind of throw. Through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, just means to enter one side and exit another, or it's an adjective meaning you're finished, you're done. So let me show you how to use through 4 different ways in one sentence. I threw up after the party. He threw when the girl threw up a gang sign after someone threw a knife. That's the English language for you. All 4 times, that's how you use through. The second one, after I went through his phone, I told him we were through. And those are the 2 ways that you use through. Next one up is than versus then. Than with an A is for comparison. Okay, I like TV shows more than movies. The other word then, kind of like next, right? It means either at the time, next, or in that case. So I'll see you then, or we should go to the store and then eat when we get home. So those are your 5 usage things that you're going to be looking at this week. So when you go to Schoology, you're going to find usage 2 in your week 5 folder. If I preview this real quickly, you can see it's just going to be exactly the same format as last week, and so are the next couple of weeks. We'd better not. We got our drop-down menu. Are we going to lose, or are we going to loose to Sibley tonight? Hopefully neither one of those things right there. So do this as many times as it takes to get a perfect score, and that perfect score is what you will get in the grade book. All right.